Welcome. Today, we're going to learn how to use this Bosch cordless drill effectively. It's a versatile tool, and we'll cover its key features. Instructor Amy will guide you through the process. Bosch drills are versatile power tools that can be used for drilling holes and driving screws in various materials. Knowing how to use a Bosch drill correctly is essential for efficient and safe operation. To guide you in safe and efficient handling of a Bosch drill, we have instructor Amy who will guide you on how to use a cordless Bosch drill.
This is a Bosch cordless power drill. It is a versatile and widely recognized power tool used for drilling holes and driving screws into various materials, such as wood, metal, and masonry. Before using a Bosch drill, prioritize safety. Wear eye protection, ear protection, gloves, and a dust mask if needed. Ensure clothing is suitable, avoid loose-fitting items or jewelry. Prepare a tidy, well-lit workspace. If needed, use good ventilation or a dust extraction system for materials that create debris.
Let's start by identifying the parts of the drill.
Motor, it takes power from the batteries and converts them into motion. The chuck is that cylindrical steel body with the hole at the end of the drill where you put in the drill bits. It is like a clamp that holds the tool that is drill bit in place. Some chucks need a special key to open and close, but most cordless drills today are like Magica, they're keyless. To use the keyless chuck, just hold the handle and squeeze the trigger button. Torque control clutch, it is an adjustable dial that controls the amount of torque. Your drill has numbers on it, from 1 to 15 or 18. Bigger numbers mean more power for big jobs. Smaller numbers are for gentler work. To pick the power, move the arrow to a number, and then start using your drill. Hammer setting. This is like turning your drill into a superhero that can break through tough things like concrete or brick. It adds a little hammering action to the spinning, making it easier to drill into hard materials. Screw setting. In this setting, your drill becomes a gentle superhero, perfect for driving screws into things without damaging them. It works smoothly and doesn't use the hammer action, so it's like using a regular screwdriver but with more power. Forward and reverse button controls the direction of the drill. This button allows you to alternate the direction in which the drill driver turns the drill or screwdriver bit. Regular forward switch is used for clockwise direction, and reverse switch changes the direction counterclockwise. When the switch is in the middle position, the drill will be locked. For safety, after the drilling is finished, the forward-reverse switch should be positioned in the middle. Trigger switch provide the required speed. Pulling the trigger starts the chuck spinning. The deeper you press, the faster the drill bits rotate. Gear switch. The gears on a power drill are like the speed settings. You can make the drill go fast or slow by picking the right gear. When you want to drill into something hard, use a low gear for more power. If you're working with something soft, use a high gear for speed. Gears help your drill match the job you're doing. Battery. Batteries give the drill the energy it needs to work. Cordless drill drivers come with a rechargeable battery and charger, and most have detachable batteries. These batteries are typically nickel-cadmium, nickel metal hydride, or lithium-ion. LED light. Some cordless drill drivers have an LED light for working in poorly lit spaces. The LED light should turn on and off automatically. It helps a user to see even in dark spaces. Now that you know the parts and their use of a cordless Bosch drill, try installing a wooden wall hanging on a wall. I have already made the marking on the wall where you must drill the hole. First, choose the appropriate wall plugs based on the type of wall and the expected load the shelf will bear. Wall plugs are typically color-coded to indicate their load-bearing capacity. The image shown here guides about the size of drill bits and screwdriver bits that will go with that particular wall plug. Choosing the right drill bit is like selecting the perfect tool for a job. To do it well, consider the material you're drilling into. For wood, a standard twist bit works great. For metal, you'll want a cobalt or titanium bit. Masonry or concrete requires a masonry bit. And if you're dealing with screws, a screwdriver bit is the way to go. It's all about matching the bit to the task at hand. Picking the right drill bit size is crucial for the job. The size depends on what you're drilling or screwing into. For instance, a 1/8 inch bit is perfect for small holes or screws, while a 1/2 inch bit is great for larger tasks. It's like choosing the right key for a lock. The size has to match, so your drill can work its magic effectively. Pick the highlighted masonry drill bit from the toolbox that matches the diameter of the wall plugs. The packaging of the wall plugs often provides guidelines for the recommended drill bit size. Now let's try installing a drill bit. Installing a drill bit is like giving your drill a new superpower. Here's how you do it. Click on the highlighted chuck to open it. In real-world scenario, you will need to now take your drill bit. Put it into the chuck's teeth. Make sure it's all the way in and secured tightly. Click to turn the chuck clockwise to close it up. It's like your drill is grabbing onto the bit. Make it nice and tight so the bit doesn't wobble. Your masonry drill bit is now in place, and your drill is ready to use its new superpower for drilling or screwing. Now grab the highlighted wall plug from the table and measure it against the drill bit to ascertain the depth of the hole to be drilled. Place a colored tape at that highlighted point. This is the point up to which the wall will be drilled. Next, grab the drill from the workbench and position the drill bit at the marked spot on the wall and hold the drill at a right angle to the wall. Click to set the torque setting to the highlighted hammer function on your cordless drill. This is necessary for drilling into concrete. Grab the drill and use the trigger switch to start drilling slowly and steadily. Apply gentle but constant pressure to the drill while it's in operation. Drill holes to the marked spot to accommodate the wall plug. Now place the drill back on the table. Click on the chuck to loosen it. Remove the drill bit and place it in the drill box. Take the highlighted wall plugs and gently tap them into the holes you've just drilled. Next, grab the highlighted screw and push them into the wall plug. Pick the highlighted screwdriver bit that matches the screws you'll use to fix the wall hanging. Attach it to the screwdriver bit to the highlighted adapter. Now insert the free end of the adapter into the mouth of the chuck. Click on the chuck to tighten it. Next, grab the Bosch drill and position the screwdriver bit into the highlighted screw on the wall. Grab the drill to gradually drive the screws into the wall plugs until they are snug and secure. Be careful not to over-tighten, as this can damage the plugs or brackets. Now place the drill back on the table. Now click on the chuck to loosen it. Now remove the screwdriver bit and place it on the table. Now you can hang your beautiful wall hanging on that screw on the wall. Great job with the installation of the wooden wall hanging. Lastly, one essential technique in woodworking is peck drilling. It's especially handy when working with dense woods. So let me explain briefly about peck drilling. Peck drilling is a drilling technique where the drill bit is repeatedly withdrawn from the workpiece during the drilling process. Instead of drilling continuously to the desired depth, the drill bit is intermittently retracted to clear away chips and prevent overheating. This method is particularly useful when drilling deep holes in materials like metal or when working with materials that tend to generate a lot of heat, as it helps maintain the drill bit's sharpness and improves the overall efficiency and quality of the drilling process. Peck drilling is often used to avoid chip buildup and reduce the risk of drill bit breakage, especially in challenging drilling applications. Now that we have finished our task, you must remove the battery to be recharged or stored. Also, you must know how to change the batteries. Click on the highlighted release buttons to press it on both sides of the battery simultaneously. While pressing the buttons, gently pull the old battery away from the drill handle. It should slide off easily. Place the old battery on the table. Take your highlighted replacement battery and slide the drill's battery compartment. You should hear a distinct locking sound when it's properly secured. Click on the highlighted trigger switch to turn on the drill to ensure that the new battery is functioning correctly. If it powers up and operates without, if your old battery is rechargeable and still in good condition, it's a good practice to store it properly. Keep it in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. Make sure to charge it every few months to maintain its health. In this simulation, we have explored the various features and functions of the drill, from adjusting the clutch for different applications to efficiently using the forward and reverse switch.
This has been an example of using a Bosch power drill simulation. Feel free to go through the experience again or go back to the homepage and try a different experience.